In today's video, we'll be making an aromatic and savory dish that is extremely popular in China, red braised pork belly or Shao Rou, but we'll be making it easier by using the Instant Pot. To prepare the dish, I'll also be using this 8-inch professional chef's knife from Federvik, who was nice enough to send me this to try. It comes with a knife sharpener that you simply place into the slots and gently pull out for effective sharpening. This multi-purpose knife is made with German high-carbon stainless steel and can be used for fruits and vegetables and meats like my pork belly. To begin, we're going to cut 2 pounds of pork belly into 1-inch thick pieces. I love how the knife just glides right through the meat and features an ergonomic handle for a comfortable and strong grip, perfect for those who love to cook like myself. It also makes the perfect gift and comes in a beautiful black box, so if you're interested, check out the description box for details. After cutting 2 pounds of pork belly, we're going to place them into a medium-sized pot for parboiling. Place enough water to cover the 1-inch pork belly pieces, then transfer the pot back to your stovetop and boil over high heat. Once the water comes to a full boil, turn off the fire, then discard the scummy water. Next, you're going to rinse your pork belly pieces until clean, drain, then set them aside. In addition to 2 pounds of pork belly, you're also going to need 1 cup of chicken broth, 2 tablespoons of dark soy, 2 tablespoons of light soy, 3 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine, a large stem of ginger sliced, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, and 2 tablespoons of rock sugar or brown sugar. Now plug in your Instant Pot and turn on the saute feature and wait until it says hot. Then add a tablespoon of neutral oil and your pork belly. We're going to saute the pork belly for about a minute, then add the remaining ingredients. Give everything a good stir until the ingredients are well incorporated. Then we're going to close the lid. Place the steam valve in sealing position, cancel the saute function, and pressure cook for 25 minutes. We're going to let the Instant Pot do all the work, and when time is up, allow the pressure to naturally release. To thicken the sauce, let's set it on saute again. When the liquid starts to bubble, we're going to add a cornstarch slurry made up of 1 tablespoon of water and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Make sure you give the slurry a thorough mix so the cornstarch doesn't settle on the bottom. Then gently combine it with the rest of the ingredients until the sauce is thickened to your liking. Optionally, you may chop up 2 stalks of scallions for garnishment. And just like that, you have yourself an aesthetically appealing and delicious plate of Shao Rou. With all this sauce on the dish, there really is only one way to eat it. I mean, I guess you can get creative and dip some bread in it or top it over noodles, but I like it over plain white rice. And the only worry I have when I make this dish is that I didn't make enough, cause Steve and my toddler licked their bowls clean. Please give my easy recipe a try and let me know what you and your family think. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.